Lake Louise at sunrise, showcasing the turquoise water and surrounding mountains. Welcome to Lake Louise, Alberta. Discover the awe-inspiring beauty of Lake Louise, a gem of the Canadian Rockies. Scenic beauty, panoramic views of the lake with Victoria Glacier in the background, crystal clear turquoise waters. Grandeur of the surrounding peaks. With its pristine turquoise waters and majestic mountain backdrop, Lake Louise is a natural wonder like no other. Hikers exploring the Plain of Six Glaciers Trail. Canoers paddling on the serene waters of Lake Louise. Skiers enjoying the slopes at Lake Louise Ski Resort. From exhilarating hikes and tranquil canoeing to world-class skiing, Lake Louise offers a myriad of outdoor adventures for all. Visitor experience tourists taking photos by the lake. Families enjoying picnics on the lakeshore. Visitors relaxing at the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. Join the millions who visit Lake Louise each year, experiencing its unparalleled beauty and a wide range of activities. Over 15,000 visitors daily during peak summer months. Banff National Park, including Lake Louise. Lake Louise is a must-visit destination. Visitors enjoying local cuisine at nearby restaurants. Exploring the charming shops and galleries in Lake Louise Village. Immerse yourself in the local culture, savoring exquisite cuisine and exploring charming shops in the nearby village. Sunset time lapse over Lake Louise. Lake Louise, ultimate nature escape. Join us at Lake Louise, your ultimate nature escape in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Please like and subscribe our channel for more informative video.